Hello everyone, good morning.
Hey, good morning, everyone. A little bit of getting ready with me before we do our makeup. So I have to take my glasses off. Okay, it's clean. First thing I do is use a toner, moisturizing toner. I love. It's almost finished. I use it all the time. I always rub it in my hands. Before I put it on my face. While that is drying, I'm going to put my eye cream. Getting ready with me this morning so we can do a little something. Moisturize under eyes, and I also do my top lids. Sometimes I fan to dry the toner. Once it's dry, I'm using my CeraVe lotion. As you can see, it's almost done. And it has SPF 30. And I pump right here. That's it for the face. Moisturize. I always put a lot of eye cream on, but I make sure I spread it nicely so it takes a little bit longer to soak into the skin. But with age, you gotta do a little extra, And it's called Ala Rose. This is the sample cover, and this is the sample. I've been using it. As you can see, it smells really good and I love it. So I spray and I dab. I try not to rub so I don't bruise the perfume. I am going to use water, African Pride Moisture Miracle Curl Defining Gel, Hydrate and Hold. This one. And I saw this on at J Sparkle's Makeup. I'm going to try this. So I'm taking you along on my little morning routine before I get to my makeup section. This is water. I love this little bottle. So I'm just gonna spray my hair. Let's transform this hair, right? I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. I just wanna try the gel. Okay, now this is my hair. I just wet it. This is what it's looking like. Loosen up all these curls. Make sure it's well moisturized with the water. Now I take this and I'm gonna comb it out. I didn't give it any conditioner yet. Now my hair is all combed out. I'm going to use Goddess Strength by Carol's Daughter leave-in conditioner, just a little bit, because I'm putting gel and I don't know the strength of the gel and what's gonna happen, so just a little bit. Now I have that in, we are going to gel. Take a look. I don't know if you saw it. It's very light. Yep, it's light. So I take this much. Let's try this gel. Go check out J Sparkle's Makeup Ruby and check her video on that gel. I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair. I just wanted to try the gel. and see what I get from it. So this is my hair after I'm done with it. It is soft, it's not hard and stiff, but this is the gel in my hair. Alright, okay, let's go do some makeup. Let's go play in some makeup. Yeah. Makeup time is here.
In the beginning, I show you some of my routine to get to this point. This is the Pure 4-in-1 foundation powder, and this is what it looks like. Today I'm taking one for the team. The air is off so I can do this. Take a look. So I just put the fan on so I can cool off so I can finish this makeup look. So see, menopause. This is a day in my life. So I'm showing you all the little stuff behind the scene that happens right now. I just gotta wait. I'll be back soon. Today's eyeshadow look, it's a one color eyeshadow, and the one I used today, this is a single that I got from Natasha Denona. I used Physician Formula Butter Glow Press Powder. This is so pretty. Take a look how I'm sparkling and glowing. This is this. I love it. And I used the Pure 4-in-1 foundation powder. I will put the name in the description. I have no glasses on right now. But this is it. This is my day. This is what I do. And then now I'm gonna go do laundry. I'm gonna make lunch, the whole 9 yards. But this is just a little bit of my day, my morning. I have the African Pride gel in my hair. And I did see that video from J Sparkles Makeup. Please check out, she did a review on that curling gel. Her name is Ruby. Check out that video. I will put her YouTube name in my description, so go check her out. But this is what my hair is looking like. You like? I like. It's nice and soft and fluffy. And this is it. Remember to be unique. Be your unique self. Be your soul and soul. You might not please everyone because you are not for everyone. Have fun with your makeup. Have fun with whatever you do. And remember, you are always first. I will see you in the next video. Please like, please share. I just want to tell you, if no one told you this morning, including yourself, that you are beautiful, you are beautiful. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Love you all.